In this video, I will discuss about some common things we may require in Ansys meshing. The first thing is how to create section plane, and select the from home menu. Select the section plane on the GUI, and orient geometry or mesh in such a way so that you can get the required view. And now we have to draw the cross-sectional area, and you can draw not across the whole geometry, but just for the idea about the how this will cut the geometry and display mesh from inside. And now you can see that we have section plane 1, and you can show whole elements if you require, and if you uncheck this option, this will show you elements on a plane, and once you again click this will show you elements as a whole. And so you can see elements in different way. And second thing is, if you click on the section plane, you can edit the plane also, and you can move your section plane anywhere you want, like this. And you can also move section plane to other side as well. And if required, you can also delete section plane from here, and you can also use many other options, like you can want to remove, add or remove buttons, like a new section plane, edit section plane, show elements. So this can also be displayed here, or you can remove this option also from this panel here. And second thing is that how to display mesh on a particular surface, especially on the name selection. So let's say if I select inlet, so it will just show me the surface here and no mesh on this surface. And let's say I want to display the mesh on some particular geometry, and this can be done for just visualization purpose, or maybe I want to just export the picture and display mesh on some portions. And so to do this thing, we have to go first click on the mesh, and then go to the display, and from display option we have preferences, and in preferences you will go to the post plot elements attached to name selection, and if you require, you can also add the mesh annotations, which is option is also there. And so we have second option, mesh annotation. So this will add the text on the mesh, you can see here, and this can be done from here in the home menu. Okay, so we have enabled the option for the plot elements attached to name selections, and now if you click on any name selection, this will display the mesh on them. For example, on the inlet, outlet, we have the wall horizontal pipe, wall vertical pipe, we have the wall for this vertical circular, we have the wall horizontal circular, and wall for this 90 degrees bend. So we can display mesh on or maybe multiple surfaces if you require, and this can be done very easily. And the last thing is that how to save picture and how to save views. And from home menu we have option for the manage views, and for the picture I will tell you shortly about that thing. Now let's say we have this view, and I want to save this view and the subsequent geometries and changes in the mesh. So I will click on the add view here, so I can name anything here. By default name is view 1, and if I change the view to this view, and I just want that the view should be now back to my original view, so I click here and then apply, and this will give me same view as we have saved. And if required, you can also delete these settings, these saved views from this panel. And also we have the renaming option, you can modify them, and so modify them with a new view and save them with the same name. And you can also export them with some name, for example manage views, and then you can import them again back to this screen. So maybe you are using the views from one workbench file and you save those views, and then you can import them into another workbench file, and this will give you the same views on the second file as well. You can also save image from right clicking on the screen and image to clipboard. And also we have the from home menu. You can have the images, image from file, image to file, and image to clipboard. And also you can see the report preview, and this will give some pictures as well as the information about the mesh, everything here. And you can also see the print preview of that screen. If you go back in the meshing and so from mesh this will give you the picture. And if you save this file, you can just cut or crop the file up to here and put in your presentation or your Word file for the report, thesis, or PowerPoint slides. And also we have the different options, like you can reset the layout. We have to manage these all menus here, and you can also have the different layouts here, and you can also make it full screen. And to go back to the normal mode, you have to click on the F11 key in from keyboard, and this will get you back to the normal mode. And then click on the geometry tab here in the graphic window. This will take you back to our graphic display unit here. And again, if you press the F11, this will again take you back to the full mode. And again press the F11 key. This will take you back again to the normal graphics mode. And this is all about the Ansys meshing, and I hope that you have learned almost many things in the Ansys meshing, like how to create different meshing, different options here, saving pictures, saving views, cutting the planes. And please give me your comments and your feedback that what things you need more in these workshops and this whole course.